What's a piece of content you recommend all founders to watch, listen, read, or see?
I would say The Social Network.
Mm-hmm.
Loved that movie.
Oh, okay. Social Network has been recommended a lot. So in addition to that, give us something else. Um,
Okay, so I am typically a person who, in my leisure time, likes to watch a lot of random, you know, things that is not related to business or something
yeah.
like that, right? My education is from the field, but if you really want to watch something, take a learning from it, I would say that go for small web series, right? If you
Okay.
look at
Recommend a
TVF
web series.
Pictures,
Uh-huh.
TVF Pictures, right?
Hmm.
It's an inspiring story.
Hmm.
You look at it, you see the struggle that people actually go through. You're shutting down your offices, you're pulling down your boxes. That's a heartbreak moment from you, and you retrieve back from that. Because I can so much relate to that moment when they don't have any money left with them. Because that I was in that position when I had just 30,000 left in my account. I didn't know what to do if that next paycheck didn't come through, right? And I scaled up from that. So it's something that's very close to my heart. I love that series.
Okay.